We're back again. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, and this is hive number 108. It's a deep 8 frame and has a super on top of that. So let's build it out, and then we'll add another medium frame underneath the super frame. So this is where we want our honey. Now this one could have eggs in the super because the queen will lay up about 18 inches average. 18 inches. And that's 2 deep boxes. Now she may be in this one because it's not 18 inches yet. Okay, this one is a piece of foundation that something happened to this side. I took it out. They're walking around on that and getting it cleaned up. This is one with the frame that they built with my fishing line as a guide. I don't want the girls to fall off. She is building that, or they are building that out, and I see no eggs. And that's on the foundation that I built. Somebody asked, won't it fall out when you extract it? Nope. So, I mean, well, it will. I use a electric honey extractor. And you just got to start it off right. Now this one here they've built out. And they have it pretty much covered with nectar on both sides. So they're working up here. So see, now I can take this one off though. Put me a checkerboard or another 8 frame underneath this. See, that's about, that there's another one that they built with my fishing line. But if you start it off slow, don't try to throw it all out at one time and then just slowly speed it up. It don't usually fall off. This one is just about capped out or filled out. And what I'd like to do is take this one, put me another 8 frame, and put another super on it. And that's the wax foundation that they build it on. I used to use plastic up here, but the bees didn't build it out so quick. This has only been up here for a while, but they weren't doing anything for a while. This one's being built out. That's wax foundation. Yeah, they need more room down the bottom. And this one's wax foundation that they're working, and they're doing a good job of it. And I use 8 frames in my top box, in my honey box. Well, we're going to go find us another 8 frame box. Lost my tag. Another 8 frame box. And we'll be back. That's this one. That's what happens when you do it that way. If you got a brood bottom, one brood bottom, you put a super on top of that, then they'll build it out like this. You put your another brood box, they'll build a brood on up, and they'll fill this one with plenty. Y'all have a great day. Give us a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and share. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.